Hi, I'd like to show you how I added a 2-wire decoder and a 3-wire stay alive on the decoder buddy in this locomotive. This is how I started. I wanted to thread the wires through the pins on the 21-pin connector just for a little stability. That's a common practice and it works very well. This is the stay alive on top of the decoder. I'm not sure I like the way that looks and the way it's settled in there. I may work with that later. It'll fit for sure. The trick to making the 3-wire stay alive work with the 2-wire decoder is to combine the red wire and the white wire on U+, and then the black wire to the ground. That's all there is to it. This is what it looked like when everything was soldered up and finished. Initially, I'm going to fix that capacitor. That's bothering me. This is on the test stand, making sure that my demonstration will work. And now the demonstration. Hi, tonight I'd like to show you a decoder tester with a Nix Trains light board and a Nix Trains 3-wire stay alive on a 2-wire decoder. Let's turn on the Tsunami decoder and see what happens. Blue light and a red forward headlight. We've got noise. And let's see if we can make it move now. I'm going to zoom out here. And make it go slowly so I don't run it all the way off the end. You see the light change to the reverse position. And now you have the three major things that a decoder does. You have sound, you have light, and you have motor direction. It's all working. And the 2-wire stay alive is working with the 2-wire decoder is working with the 3-wire stay alive. Have a good. Let's take a look at one more thing. How long does it stay alive? Okay, 1, 2, 3, tilt. 1, 2, 3, stop. Have a good.